With the routing complete for our front leg pieces, we need to remove the templates, which we have previously used double stick tape to hold down. To reduce the risk of damaging either the template or the workpiece, we're going to first clamp the workpiece in a vise, and using a razor blade we will cut the template away from our workpiece, and we can gently lift that template off, and we then need to work off the double stick tape. And we will want to do this to the template as well. And with that complete, we have two front legs that are a mirror image of each other, cut identically the same.